So cool. I am spending a few weeks in Maui with my sister because she just had a 4th baby, and 4 kids is a lot. So I'm here helping out, entertaining the kids, helping out around the house, doing dishes, things like that. Today I started my day off with some lychees. They basically taste like grapes that are intense and so juicy and delicious. They're like nothing you've ever tasted. And then I had a muffin yesterday. Ellen's husband Andrew made some homemade vegan gluten-free muffins, and I had one of them while playing this really silly game called King of Tokyo with my nephew.
Are we gonna put them in that bowl?
Yeah.
Wait, we're gonna put all of them in that bowl?
The pits.
Oh yeah.
Just the seeds. Where are we gonna sit? Here, put the pits in there.
First, I lick the water off because I don't really like the water.
Mm-hmm.
And then I take off this, and then I eat it.
Okay, I was just playing some soccer with the kiddos out here, but my piriformis / sciatica started acting up, so I'm gonna make my official breakfast now. This is an Ellen's Plant Power Kid Plant Power. What's your ebook called, Ellen? Kid Plant Power? Epic Plant Power Kid Food. I made it too long. Epic Plant Power Kid Food, and I'm gonna make a pina colada smoothie, but I'm gonna add some greens to it. Ah! How do I get these out? Wait, what?
He just walked into the bathroom. He's like,
Who?
Sandy.
Why?
What? He's like, I just found all these treasures when I opened my treasure box. I opened it and they were there. I'm gonna show Hannah your treasures. Oh my goodness. What the?
This one. Thanks.
Wow. That's so many great treasures. Sandy, it's time to brush your teeth.
I made it a little big. Ever since being pregnant, I've realized I feel so good with nut butters and peanut butters and just high-fat, high-protein things throughout the day, and I didn't have any nut butter in my smoothie, so before lunch I had a little snack. This is really nostalgic for me. Ellen and I used to make this all the time in college. This is just almond butter with cacao and some sort of sweetener. In college we always used agave, but this time I used maple syrup and then topped with fruit, and it's so good and satisfying. I never made this anymore pre-pregnancy, but wow, this really brought me back. I highly encourage this snack if you're feeling the almond butter. And then for lunch, wow, I'm really getting spoiled over here. Ellen and her family really does food right. They put so much effort into such good meals. And today, Ellen was making her recipe of the month for her monthly membership that she has on her website. I'll link it below. It's a great membership where you have exclusive videos and recipes and stuff like that, and brand deals. And today we were making buffalo cauliflower lettuce wraps, and they were so delicious. So I will just show you how we made it, but for the full recipe, I will link her membership below.
Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you. Thank you. Wake up in the morning, talk to God, what he say? He said, blessings, blessings, blessings coming my way, and I said, thank you. Thank you. Yeah. cause I'm blessed. I don't even need that stress. Look, shorty on my arm breaking necks. Probably cause she know I'm breaking necks. I never, ever say I can't, cause I walk with an S on my chest. I don't chase nothing but a check. Everybody got a little debt, but I'm tryna be completely debt free. I know people that's upset that I
we're
don't
just
have
putting
a plan
some
B. And
buffalo-
I do this from my dogs, my girl, and all the
buffalo cauliflower into some lettuce cup. Do you like my angle? I'm so bad at filming.
It's so good with the lettuce.
Yeah, because it cools it down like perfectly. And the dill and the sauce.
I loved it.
Okay.
Got food all over me. I'm trying to feed him. Oh, hold on.
Just kind of.
Hi, buddy.
Mmm.
Isn't that good?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, man. I'm so hungry.
Mmm.
I'm gonna go with the left.
Mm-hmm. Perfect. For dinner, we had some homemade tacos with beans and rice and vegetables and lettuce and guacamole and cashew sour cream, and it was super delicious. Sorry I didn't film the whole creation of the recipe. I was off playing with the kids. My goal here is just to help out the family and get some quality time in before I have my own little one. Thank you so much for watching, and yes, I will be sharing more about my trip here, but for now, I hope you have a great day, and I will see you in the next video. And I just want to take a moment to thank today's sponsor of this video, Squarespace. Squarespace is a website building platform that provides beautifully designed templates and powerful blogging tools to make it easy to create a little home on the internet you can call your own. Let's be real, many people these days need a website of some kind, whether you're a small business, a content creator, an artist, or just a young professional trying to get your CV out into the world. I've been using Squarespace for years and have created multiple sites using this platform, and I can honestly say they make it so ridiculously easy for a tech-challenged person like myself to make something that looks professional and functions exactly for my needs. Go to squarespace.com/HannahMcNeely for a free trial and 10% off your first purchase to get started building your website today.